Okay, this is a hotel and casino. It's lit up at nighttime. Not so much right now, but we're gonna excuse me, explore it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. It's hard to know if this is better to explore at night or day. In the daytime, it looks like it's the lights aren't on, but on the other hand, I can see a lot more. So we're on this little area called Hua de Macau, and we're just going to show you. Gia Hill is straight up that way, right there, and we're going to get closer and closer to Casa Real. It's a hotel and a casino, so you can see. I think it'd be more impressive at nighttime because you'd see all the lights, but then you can see more detail because of the daytime. So that's the hotel part right there. Just kind of go kind of on a busy road right here. Lots of traffic, gas station right there. It's one way this way and one way over there. And up there is Gia Hill, Gia Lighthouse. Over there is Lisboa Casino. I guess you can see some of the lights are still on. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk kind of around the periphery. Inside there's a jewelry shop. This one goes to the ferry terminal right here, border gate, so people can line up. But the ferry terminal's been closed because of COVID. Not too far away is the Golden Casino Dragon. And here's the casino part. Casino Real Casino. It looks like this also goes into more stuff. We're gonna walk around the building. I think it has several entrances and several. We'll find out what it all has anyways. Golden Dragon. Might do a separate video just focusing on that one. So this one we have some gold shops, food shops. And I think what we're going to do in a minute is go inside. Let's see what this one is. I think this one is could be a pharmacy. Gold watches. Gold again. Currency exchange. So right across is the Casino Golden Dragon, and over there is a Fisherman's Wharf. And then we're gonna walk in a little bit. I think one of the things that we're gonna see inside of these is hairdresser salons, sex shop. There's some saunas right here, so there's not a sauna, massage 24 hours. Another massage right there. Food. We definitely could. We did another video where we walked all the way through. There's kind of a little Thailand thing. But I think this video we're gonna walk by the sex shops and then just kind of see what else is in here, right? So I think this is a sex shop here. Yeah, it is. There's one. And I think we're gonna see more sex shops because I see another yellow sign over there. They're kind of empty. I haven't really been in here before, so I don't really know if it looks a lot busier other times or not. Even these look like they're closed, but there's another sex shop there. No, that might be open. Yeah, keep on strolling through here. Checks. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. The funny sex shop. This one looks like it's storage is right there. It is Sunday morning, by the way. A restaurant. So we're gonna head on out, back on out again. King of beers. Okay, there's an internet cafe right there. Magic. Okay, Magic, and then opening hours. So this is actually a club. It closes at 4 in the morning. King of beers. So let's go back out. So this is basically where we just came from. So Casa Real is down at the end. So this is like one giant building, all for Casa Real. Then this one looks like an overpass. Golden Dragon is over there. We're still at Hua de Macau, and then Fisherman's Wharf is over that way. And it looks like, yeah, this Magic is actually a bar and karaoke. Magic 6. Here's more sex shop signs. So I think what we'll do is we'll kind of walk on the periphery. More of a king of beers. Magic 6 is different, right? So the other one's, oh no, same. Magic 6 and Magic must be the same. Kind of walking in with a shade. Money exchange. This is fairly close to the ferry terminal. Give you a little, so there's a currency exchange place. So yeah, Casa Real. Looks like we could go back in here. So you kind of see more of this kind of stuff. I think what we're gonna do is go back in. Something called Food Street that I'm looking at right now. I think it just goes into that empty part again. But what we're gonna do is kind of navigate through and see. I kind of want to see if there is a food street down there too. So yeah, that says Food Street. I don't see anything. That's such a strange open space, bunch of apartments up there. I heard my home. Oh, massage. Moving hair. Does that mean moving hair? So yeah, this is basically all around Casa Real. Here's another 24 hours. Might be another massage, I think. So yeah, it's kind of empty everywhere in here. Like a grocery store. Oh, you can load up on toilet paper, baby formula. So I think this is popular for part of Zhuhai, it says. Then we come back out here again. I believe that's Seamus and Zhuhai, I believe. I'll have to check this out and see what that is. That'll be another video though. And now we're gonna end this over in this little Thai area. I think that'll be a nice ending to this. So this is all this kind of Casa Real complex. I think these are saunas, I think. No, those are massage places. So there's, and here's the entrance. There's actually people up there, but interesting. Another massage, tons and tons of massage places, sex shops. I believe there's also saunas because I saw there was Casa Real has something called East Spa. Then you have this little Thailand stuff, which is interesting because there's also kind of a lot of sex. Sorry, I thought the camera was off, so I had to check it all out. We're already at 10 minutes already too. Didn't realize. So we're just gonna end this in this little Thai spot, which is interesting because there's so much kind of sex shops and sex saunas and everything else. So now you have this little Thai area too, which is kind of interesting. It kind of ties into that image of Thailand as well, right? Looks cool. There. So now we kind of have more of this little space. So we kind of went through into that a little bit, and there's a bunch of massage places and stuff like that. And over here, this is back to Casa Real, so we're gonna head back into that a little bit, and this is gonna be kind of a long video. More massage, whiskey, liquor. I think that's gonna be more massage because she just went in there real quick. I guess it's illegal maybe. Because that's actually not the first time that I've had some people kind of scurry away. So we're gonna be ending up back in front of Casa Real in a minute. So yeah, this is kind of a hotel about, kind of a video about Casa Real. And there it is right there. I don't think it's worth walking into the middle, but we'll just kind of show you this. And there it is, there's a bunch of apartments up there too. And then that's kind of that part of that Casa Real stuff. Okay, there you go. Chiquinha, chiquinha.